YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. In this video, we are going to connect Memefi to OKX on Suit. So there are these tasks that require everyone to connect Memefi to OKX on Suit. Memefi is no longer launching on Linear Network. They are using Suit. So we are expected to switch to Suit through this connection. So I'm going to perform the task, but a piece of information for you: OKX is no longer operating in Nigeria. So if you want to perform this task, you need a VPN. So you have to download a VPN to perform this task. If you have old account with OKX, there is wallet inside the exchange, so you can still use the wallet. We are using the wallet, not the exchange, but we still need VPN connection since they are no longer operating in Nigeria. Also, if you have not opened any OKX before, you can go to Play Store, download the OKX Wallet. When you download the OKX Wallet, back up your C phrase, copy it out, and create a new wallet. Once you create your wallet, you can carry out the task. So let's go ahead. This is it. So you click this place. Let me show you where to click, so that, because if you start from this place, it will not open. Let's try it from here. Let's perform the task from here. Check the task. It's not opening from here. So we go inside the task section, the end section. Click the end section. Click the end section. Okay. Now click Connect OKX Wallet on Suit. Open it. Check the task. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, it's opening. It's trying to connect to my OKX wallet. So let's wait for it. And when you are using VPN, make sure your OKX and your Memefi is already open on Telegram before you connect your VPN. Because if you connect your VPN before opening your Memefi, it might affect you. Memefi might think you are using VPN to mine their network. So make sure you connect. Okay, connection successful. Checking. Please approve in wallet. So let's go to OKX to do the approval. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, confirm. Let me put my password using my fingerprint. Okay, so this is done. Let's return to Memefi. Still checking. Thank you for completing the task. Return to game. So we have successfully connected Memefi to OKX. This is how simple it is to do this task. So watch the video and follow the step. Like I said earlier, if you are using VPN, do not on your VPN before performing this task. Open your Telegram and open your Memefi before you on your VPN, so that you will not be penalized by Memefi. Because if your VPN is on before you open your Memefi, it will see it as if you are using a VPN to mine. So now you have done the transaction, you can turn off the VPN and delete it from your phone so that it will not affect any other mining app you are using. So if this is your first time or coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification there so that you receive notification each time I made a post. And also like, drop comment on the comment section and share this video if you find it valuable. Thank you for watching.